Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to do a shuttle join or lock join. For the purpose of this video, I made a ring and then I made a chain. So now I want to make a shuttle join to this picot or a lock join. So the way you do that is you make sure it's so tangled, but I want to use the thread from the needle. Here, one more, sorry. Okay, so this is the thread from that ball and this is the thread from the needle, right? So then I'm gonna go to the next picot and I'm gonna do it like I'm just doing a regular join. So I'm gonna grab the thread and pull it. I'm sorry, my neighbor's throwing away garbage. So you see how I did that? Let me do it again. So I'm just gonna put my needle through the picot and pull the thread through, and you can use a crochet hook for this. So then now that I have it through there, I'm gonna make sure it's not twisted. Okay, just like this. Hold on, let me close my window because my neighbor is throwing garbage out. It's loud. Sorry about that. Okay, so sorry about my camera. So I want to make sure that the thread, sorry, too many threads. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna do that again. Sorry, throw me off closing the window. Okay, so where is my, okay, there we go. So there is my picot. Go in front of the picot. Oh, sorry. Go in front of the picot. Grab the thread. Pull it through. Just like that. And now, make sure it's not twisted. And when I have it untwisted, just like this, I'm going to go behind the loop and pass my needle. And pull it until it gets close to the picot. Okay, and then at this point you can either, it depends your pattern, you can reverse your work, do a knot, or just continue tatting. You know, you can make a knot and then continue tatting. So you go in, you pull the thread through the picot, right, like that, and make sure it's not twisted. There we go. You go in the back of the loop and you pull it through. And that is a shuttle join and lock join. Thank you for watching and happy tatting.